The Connaught Martini was invented for the opening of the Connaught Bar because it really encapsulated the tradition and innovation in the same glass. We would like to keep all the guests under the spotlight. They are the protagonists of the Connaught Bar experience. Therefore, we designed different sort of flavor bitters which give a harmony to the Martini cocktail. To make the Connaught Martini, you need to have slow frozen ice. Then we take the glass out to the freezer. We select the bitter and we coat the glass. The bergamot and ginseng bitter is our signature. I designed it 3 years ago. It's invigorating and relaxing in the same time. And then we have the elegant note of the ginseng. And then we start the process of adding the vermouth. Vermouth gives these aromas which are very important in the elegance of the Martini cocktail. And then we add the generous portion of gin or vodka. We mix gently. And we pour it from a high because we like to open up the flavor. And the final touch is either the lemon peel or the Italian olives. And then with a smile, we give it to the guest.